Hello from Bug Eye Guys. Today we're going to just take a drive in this very nice BN1, which is an Austin Healey 100. Some people call them 104s. This is the first of the big Healeys, and it's a wonderful series. You'll notice if you're a purist that the shift lever is in the wrong place, quote unquote. These had a side shift kind of set up right near where my right knee is. This one happens to have a Toyota 5-speed installed. It's a very, very wonderful, I think, conversion. It's not so wonderful if you're a real purist, but I'll tell you, from working on a lot of these cars over the years, it just dramatically improves reliability and ease of use. It's a very smooth and very nice transmission to live with. I can't say enough about it because the overdrive system is complicated, full of a lot of moving parts. They wear out, they need service, they can be fussy. We've fixed a lot of those stock factory overdrives, and with this Smitty's Toyota conversion, you have an overdrive because of the 5th gear and a fully synchronized gearbox, so you can shift into first gear while you're rolling, which you may even see me do here, and it's really a delight. So I like the action, I like the ease of use, I like the serviceability, I like everything about this gearbox. It's just not original. So anyway, that's an important feature to know about on this particular car. If you're into drivability and usability, I think you'll be very happy with that upgrade. Other things about this car, we had this car a year ago. We got it from California where it was restored, and sold it to a great client in Connecticut. He used it for a year, probably put about 500 miles on it, didn't use it much. He's got 2 other Bug Eyes to play with, so it wasn't his only car. And now he's consigned it with us so that we can find it a new home. I do not find much that's in need of attention on this car. We had gone through it for him a year ago, so it's been pretty thoroughly gone through. He actually had us put in brand new leather seats and new panels, so the interior had a massive upgrade a year ago. And I just love watching those wire wheel spinners whip the air. That's such a cool angle, but it is a very, very stunning and striking car. I had one of these in my own little collection for a long time. I just think they're one of the most sensual, gorgeous vehicles you can get in classic car world. Here I am going onto the highway, and it runs really nicely. It's a strong car. You should be able to get a sense of that. And I would have gone even faster were this van not in my way, but you'll see me shift up into 5th gear and up towards 60 miles an hour. Those, of course, are the traffic haters on the horn push there for turn signals. That's the overdrive switch on the dashboard, but of course it's just there as a placeholder because the 5th gear in the gearbox is your overdrive, much more like a conventional 5-speed car. I wanted to show you the rear view. Hopefully you can hear the nice exhaust note, but there's no smoke coming out of the engine. It's a very strong engine. I believe it was rebuilt when the car was restored about 10 years ago. The transmission was also put in about 10 years ago and is like new. And so that's a tour of our BN1 Austin Healey 1954 super machine. Make sure you look at our website at Bug Eye Guys. You'll see the pictures with the windshield folded down, which is just absolutely a knockout look. And that's what we have today here at Bug Eye Guys.